Struggling to install your WordPress theme? Demo import not working? Or website showing errors or broken layouts? Don't worry, I can fix it quickly. Many people buy a WordPress theme but get stuck with problems like theme not installing properly, demo import failing, broken pages or layout issues, hard to customize design. These issues waste time and can stop your website from launching. That's where I come in. I will help you with WordPress installation, theme setup and configuration, demo import setup, fixing bugs and errors, customizing layout and design. Your website will be fully functional, responsive, and ready to launch. With my service, you will get fast and reliable support, professional WordPress setup, clean and responsive design, smooth and hassle-free experience. My goal is simple: make your website work perfectly without stress. Ready to get started? Send me a message or place your order now.